What's going on, guys? Today we are back working on the Corolla. So, as cool as the Corolla looks with its unfinished bumper, I gotta finish it and get it protected before winter, otherwise it's just gonna look like a bag of turd after a bit. And not only that, we got some pods that I need to paint that I took off my truck years ago that are gonna go in the bumper of the Corolla. So, let's take the bumper off.
So you avoid to touch any of the cold waters, 'cause sometimes love ain't that thing you're afraid of.
Bumper is off. Let's go take it to the back and get her painted up. All right, so here is the rundown with the pods. I'm gonna take this bracket here and weld it to the bumper there. And as you can tell, these pods are rather worn, and there's not much paint left on the front. I got this red can, and I'm gonna paint the face of it red because I think that'll look rather neat and look like rally lights. All right, let me show you what we got. So we got this bed liner stuff from Canadian Tire, and the plan is all the bare metal, including this stuff and the brackets there, are gonna get painted. I'm gonna mask off the skid plate because I really like the look of it, how it's got its scratches and it's kind of worn out, and it's already painted gray, and I like the color. So time to mask off that, and then we're gonna lay down some paint. All painted, and that rock guard looks amazing. So yeah, let's take this masking off and let's see how it looks with the skid plate. All right, and now that the pods are drying, the bumper is dry enough that let's go throw it on the car to see how it looks. Oh no! See what the pod looks like after knocking it down there. Yep, that needs to be repainted. It is another day, and everything's all dried up, so let's throw the pods in the bumper and get this finished up. And check it out, these look awesome. The red accents really set this bumper off, and I think I can find somewhere else to put the red accents on the car too. Maybe some rims or some mud flaps or something in the future, but yeah. Next step, I'm gonna wire these pods up. I bought a relay, I bought switch, I bought some connectors and stuff, so let's make a harness. And as you can see, it's done. The pods are in, they're all wired. I got a relay to a switch in the cab, and yeah, they look great, they work. It's funny how just a little bit of paint and some pods can really transform the look of the front end of this Corolla. Almost a real rally car. If you like this stuff, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Peace. I dropped all of this in front of the camera because I thought it'd be a cool shot, but apparently that was a bad idea. There's fuses and connectors all over the tailgate and the ground.